Welcome to this tutorial on how to log in to the ACHA Annual Meeting Virtual Event Platform. All meeting registrants must be properly logged in order to access sessions, session handouts, and discussion threads, and to complete the components necessary to earn CE credit. The username and password for this site are the same that are used to access the main acha.org website. And I'll show you how to find or create yours in just a moment. But note, these are not the same username and password that you may have created on the registration site when you registered for the meeting. First, make a note of the URL for the homepage of the ACHA Virtual Annual Meeting. education.acha.org/annualmeeting21, or go ahead and bookmark it just in case you are not redirected properly after login. Every page of the ACHA event platform has a login box in the right-hand sidebar. Click Login to begin. This takes you to the ACHA website login screen. At this point, if you already know your username and password for the ACHA website, go ahead and enter those credentials and click Sign In, and you'll be immediately redirected back to the event platform. If you don't remember your credentials or you've never logged into the ACHA website before, I'll tell you what to do next. What you don't want to do is create a new account. We already have a record on file for you, and all we need is for you to have a username and a password if you don't already. So please click Forgot Username, where you'll be asked to enter an email address. This email address should be the same address used when you registered for the meeting. It's also the same address where you're receiving ACHA communications, like your registration confirmation emails, conference connection emails, or if you're an ACHA member, where you regularly receive your weekly source newsletter. Enter your email address and click Submit. When you receive that email address in your inbox, open it to retrieve that username information. Come back to the sign-in screen and click Forgot Password. And it will ask you to enter that username here. Enter that username. And in my case, the username is the same as the email address. And click Submit. You'll receive a second email, and within the body of that email will be a link to reset your password. Click on that link in your body of your email or paste the URL into your address bar of your browser. And you should come to a screen that looks like this, where you can create a new password. Go ahead and do that now. I'm now actually properly logged in, but to the acha.org homepage. You can see at the top that it now displays my name. This is where when we bookmarked the event platform homepage, it comes in handy. We return to the event platform URL. And if you'll notice, the registration box still says that I need to log in. And sometimes this doesn't sync immediately, but just click the login button and it should sync. And it should now say hello and your name. This is how you know you're properly logged in. And that's all there is to it. Please try these steps, but if you still need assistance, please email education@acha.org. Thank you.